What you doing, dude?
Alright, let's go.
Ollie back, come on.
Why did I listen to you?
Because I'm awesome.
Moron.
It's so cinematic. You did that?
You did this.
That looks good, Elias.
Meet your metas, leer más rápido, hacer mis...
That's just what
What does it say?
Good job, Elias.
Aprender más. Oh, you did all those things.
Good job. Show us your spot. Where are you at? Right here? That's your spot? This is where all the work happens? So what did you,
Yeah.
this is everything you've done?
What is
You got
it?
a 3. This is your report card.
Which one's the first?
This is the old one though. I think 11/22. Though this is the first. This is the first quarter.
I didn't know what this is. So should we go now?
You still have to go to Nico's class. Just so you Alright. Nico, ready to go to your class. Here's Nico's class.
It's okay, they say this Thursday work next Thursday.
Show us where your chair is. This is where you sit? What do you got?
Firma de mamá o papá. Here you go. Oh. I took a dumb thinking the gun was like for everyone. Okay, use a crayon then. Yes, you do. Okay, well, that's unfortunate.
This one's Nico's right there. That's pretty. This one's yours, Nico? It's nice. I like it. It's a pizza?
But it needs more butter. I like it.
It's a pizza? Is it a pizza, Nico? Portrait of you?
Yeah, I actually have to.
Do you need one by a tree?
Alright.
No, I'll probably just go hang out, get some coffee or something.
And then...
She'll come meet me at 7:15 in 25 minutes.
Well, we're here. We can't take you home. I don't
Okay,
mind.
I'll try to catch you though, because I do have to wrap up now in the next 7 minutes.
Alright. Are you gonna go visit Maestro Leon?
Yeah. Where's Elias's? Which one? Where?
I like the radiation.
Which one is his?
Gradient. Right here.
That's Elias's?
The flame's really nice too.
I like that one.
Vicente Virgen.
Oh, Elias Lazari.
I like that one.
Pretty cool, Elias. I like it.
Really nice, buddy.
Okay. Is that the only one, or is there one for Nico?
I know, because I put it up.
Nico! Nico!
Your flower? Yes. Huh?
Hey, Nico. I see your art. I see your art. It's right here. You get ready for graduation?
Go on the band and turn off the radio. They definitely don't.
Here's Anthony's. Elias, we're going. Go. Taqueria time. Taqueria time. Look at how stable it is. Dude, that's a major ibis right there.
With, I mean, maybe it's you. You also have like a really good grip, but
it's out. The best footage at this time of the hour.
this tree is pretty awesome. Seems like it'd be in a horror film. This whole tree.
Elias would love to climb on that, right? This is the best time to film. Golden.
Can we just record this like the little willows, the weeds kind of like blowing in the wind, slow mo?
Alright.
Like
Here, I'm gonna do the classic YouTube.
the hand.
They do it. It's the stupidest thing. I'm a YouTuber. Cinematic shot. Ouch.
Nico, what do you want? What does he want?
3 chicken tacos.
¿Me puede dar 2 tacos de pollo más? Sin salsa y después un taco de verdura. La salsa al lado. No, creo que eso es todo.
Quesadilla?
Oh, perdón,
Quesadilla?
disculpe. ¿Me puede dar un arroz?
¿Un plato de arroz, algo más?
No, eso es todo. Gracias. I'm going to take Nico to his friend Lucas's house for a little bit.
And when's the Johnny thing happening since he's...
I think we can for sure do something with Johnny this Friday, I think.
What? When are we gonna do the Johnny pizza? Johnny pizza.
I was driving over.
I heard that one. I'm sorry. I heard it.
No, it looks...
Dun, 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 dun. This is one of those knots where it gets tighter than the other. Or do that. No, you need double car seat. Baby's double car seat.
My love!
When you do the baby seat.
My love!
We're not to the window in this yet. You should tell the taco lady how much
I want
you
to be
love.
my love!
Is it the tacos? Because the window's over there.
They will shoot